Have you ever wondered how many companies are actually using Expensify? It's a question that's been on the minds of many business owners, employees, and curious individuals alike. Today, we're diving deep into the numbers to find out just how popular this expense management software really is. Before we get to the main event, let's ask ourselves a question. If Expensify was a country, where would it rank in terms of population? Would it be a small island nation or a bustling metropolis? Let's find out. Expensify, for those who are unfamiliar, is a cloud-based expense management software that simplifies the process of tracking, submitting, and reimbursing expenses. It's a tool that's designed to save businesses time and money while ensuring compliance with various expense policies. So, how did Expensify become so popular? Well, it all started with a simple idea: to make the expense reporting process less painful. By offering features like automated expense recognition, mobile app integration, and real-time expense tracking, Expensify has managed to attract a significant number of users. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How many companies actually use Expensify? While the exact number isn't publicly disclosed, we can make some educated guesses based on available information. According to various industry reports and case studies, Expensify has a substantial user base across a wide range of industries. The company has been particularly successful in attracting small and medium-sized businesses, as well as large corporations. One factor that has contributed to Expensify's popularity is its ease of use. The software is designed to be intuitive and accessible, even for users who are not particularly tech-savvy. This has made it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. In recent years, Expensify has experienced significant growth, both in terms of the number of users and the features it offers. The company has expanded its product line to include features such as corporate credit cards and travel management tools. This growth has been fueled in part by the increasing demand for cloud-based solutions and the need for businesses to improve their expense management processes. So, to answer our original question, how many companies use Expensify? While we can't provide a definitive answer, it's clear that the software has a large and growing user base. Expensify has become a popular choice for businesses of all sizes, thanks to its ease of use, innovative features, and commitment to customer satisfaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.